in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unhide conversation on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. If you don't, that will be fine. You will need just to go and open any browser you are going to use or you are using. Whatever browser is working for you will be great. Of course, just go and open that browser, and once it's opened, go to the URL section and type download Skype application. Hit the enter button and go to the first link and start downloading the application. Of course, it will be like pretty easy. It will be like any other download. You must have been already downloaded something in your PC before, an application, a game, or something like that. So it will be the same. Once it's downloaded, install it and open it up. Once it's opened, they will ask you to log in into your account, and if you don't have an account, you will have the option of creating one. Of course, once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or with this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to unhide some conversations on the Skype applications if you want. So how to view a hidden conversation on the Skype application? So of course, here on your chat lists. So first of all, I don't have any hidden conversation, so let me just hide this as an example. We'll just click on hide. And as you can see, you can even undo this option if you want. Conversation hidden, you can undo it and this will come back here. So let me just hide it. So now, how can we unhide this conversation? First of all, this conversation will be unhide if someone sent a message on this conversation. If you are in a group chat or maybe in a private chat, your friend or someone in the group sent a message, then it will be unhide. Or you can just go here to the search button and you can actually look for it. That's the name of the group. And as you can see, here is it, the group chat. And if I click on it, as you can see, that's the chat that I hide. So if I right click on it, as you can see, I'll have the unhide conversation. So just go and click on it and it will be not hidden now. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.